Namaste friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, inspired by your overwhelming response for my easy beading projects, today I have brought to you these gorgeous easy pearl danglers. These are very easy to make danglers and they look really very cute. So here I have already made these earrings, these danglers in three colorways. This one is in light rose color, the other one in this black color, and one more in this gorgeous, the classic white opal color. And in today's video, we are going to make these easy pearl danglers in emerald green color. So let us see what all material do we need to make our easy pearl danglers in emerald green color. Friends, for making our easy pearl danglers in emerald green color, we are going to use these 8 mm pearls and 3 mm pearls in cream color. Then I'm using these 11 O's. These are Muki Ceylon Antique Ivory Pearl 11 O's. Here I'm going to use these 4 mm bicons in emerald green color. Then these 11 O's. These are Muki Duracoat Galvanized Champagne 11 O's and 15 O's in this shade. That is Muki Duracoat Galvanized Champagne 15 O's. Here I'll be using these beaver back ear hooks for my earrings. You can also use these ear hooks as I have used in this earring. Here I'll be working with Muki thread and size 12 beading needle. So let's get started. Friends, for making our easy pearl dangler, I have taken about 3 feet long single thread, and we will start making our earring by picking up the set of these 4 beads, one 3 mm pearl, one 11 champagne, one 3 mm pearl, and one 11 champagne. And now I'm bringing these down towards the end of my thread and tying a double knot. Like this, and holding this component. Now I'm going to pass through all these 4 beads, pulling in the tail in between these beads very gently, like this, into the first 11 and to the pearl, the 3 mm pearl. So here, after exiting through this 3 mm pearl, I'm going to pick up 4 15 champagne back into the 3 mm pearl, stepping up into the first 2 15 champagne, picking up one 11 champagne down through the next 2 15 into the 3 mm pearl, up through the 2 15 and into the 11 champagne. Now we are going to add the ear hook first. So I'm picking up 3 3 15 bringing these down. Now my ear hook. So this is the front side of the ear hook, and here into the ear hook, and again picking up 3 15 champagne and into this 11 champagne. So here We have added the ear hook. Now stepping up into the first 2 15ers, picking up 1 15er into the next 2 15ers and the ear hook, again picking up 1 15er down through the next 2 15er champagne into the 11er. Once again, I'm going to pass through all these 15ers and the ear hook, down through the 11er. So here we have added our ear hook, and now moving down through these 2 15ers and you can see the look. Now into the 3 pearl, down through the 11, and before moving further we are going to cut the tail off. And into this 3 pearl. Now after exiting through this 3 pearl and picking up 1 3 pearl, 1 4 bicon and 1 3 pearl into this 3 pearl like this, down through the 3 pearl, 4 bicon, and now I'm picking up 3 pearls back into the 4 bicon, down through the 3 pearl into the next 3 pearl. Now after exiting through this 3 pearl, I'm picking up 1 11 champagne, 1 3 pearl and 1 11 champagne. The set of these 3 beads back into the 3 pearl like this, down through the 11 into the 3 pearl, and now picking up the set of these 3 beads, 1 3 pearl, 4 bicon and 1 3 pearl back into the 3 pearl, down through the 3 pearl into the 4 bicon, and now picking up the set of 6 15 champagne back into the 4 bicon, moving down through the first 3 15 champagne, picking up 1 11 champagne up through the next 3 15 champagne into the 4 bicon, down through the 15 and the 11, now the set of these beads: 1 11 champagne, 4 bicon, 15 champagne, 8 pearl, and 1 15 champagne. And now bringing these down like this, skipping the 15, moving up through the 8 pearl, 15 champagne, and the 4 bike, like this. Again picking up 1 11 champagne and into this 11 champagne. Once again, I'm going to pass through all these beads, the drops that I have added here, moving down through the 11 4 pike and 15 8 pearl, into the 15, up through the pearl, 15 4 pike and the 11, and into this 11 champagne. So we have added the drop. If you don't have this 8 pearl, you can add a drop bead or the teardrop bead at the bottom. And now after exiting through this 11, I'm moving up through these 3 15 champagne, picking up 1 15 champagne up through the 3 pearl, again picking up 1 15 champagne into the 11 champagne, picking up 1 15 champagne into the 3 pearl, and here I'm going to add this 11 in cream color, the antique pearl ivory color, into this 3 pearl, 1 15 champagne into the 11 champagne, into the 3 pearl. Just don't pull your thread while adding these beads on the corners, on the edges, down through the 11 champagne, picking up 1 15 champagne into the 3 pearl and 1 11 antique ivory pearl into the 3 pearl, again picking up 1 15 champagne, 1 15 champagne into the 3 pearl, 1 15 champagne into the 15s and the 11s, like this. Now up through these 15s, again into these 15s, 11s, 3 pearl, the beads on the edge on the side, taking one more pass through these beads. And here, while adding the beads on the sides or even taking the second pass from these beads, don't tighten up your thread, don't pull it too tight. Very gently we have to take this pass. Down through these beads. And here I'm tying a knot between the pearl and the bicon. Once again, the second knot. down through the 15 O's and the 11 O. And here I'm going to cut my thread off. So here we have completed our easy drop danglers in this gorgeous emerald green color. You can see the look, these cute girly danglers. Even my beginner video friends would love to make these earrings. These are very gorgeous, very cute, very sleek earrings. Let us take a quick look over the other colorways. Once I have made in this rose color, the classic black color, one more classic color, that is our white opal or the pearl color. So these are some of the colorways that I have made. And if you don't have the ear hook, you can add the ear wires. Just add a loop here and add these ear wires to your earrings, as I have done here in this black earring, and a gorgeous emerald green color. So friends, these are some of the colorways that I have made in these gorgeous, these cute little danglers. I hope you will enjoy making these earrings. Friends, if you make these earrings or any of the earrings or any of the projects from my designs, I would highly appreciate if you will just share the pics of the or the images of your projects to my Instagram handle at the rate beadmates446. I have mentioned the Instagram handle in my about section of at my homepage of my channel. You can check it out. I will also share it with you all in the description box. Please do share the pics of the or the images of the work that you are doing from my projects. I would highly appreciate it. I would love to share it in the story of my Instagram handle. Please do it. So these are the earrings and I am sure you will enjoy making these. So friends, if you like my designs and my tutorials, please do subscribe to my channel and please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you may get notified when I'll upload my next videos. Thank you and namaste.